Yesterday, I made $184.50 for just 1 hour of work with AI. And anyone can do it, including you, even if you have a 9 to 5 day job and only 2 to 3 hours per day. Now, you must be thinking, Mosh, just $184 in the whole yesterday? And you keep bragging about your 8 figures journey? Wait a minute. That's not the only income yesterday. This is a special project to share with my 99% done for you program members who are already making money. I have shown you in my other videos, but I want to show them this method as well so they can make more money. Given that I have done this in the past many times over, let me share all-time affiliate commission stats on this JVZoo account. It's loading and it's loaded. Now look at this. $452,381 in passive affiliate commissions. That's my income only from this one account. You can see this is a live JVZoo account, but that's not all. Before we move forward, I have a question for you. Is there anything stopping you from smashing the like button under this video? Because you see, like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media accounts, then YouTube algorithm knows that this is a good video. They should show it to more and more people. And our content is all about helping you change and upgrade your financial condition. If you do that, then more and more people will know about this. They will get help and you will be a part of changing others' lives. What's stopping you? Go like and share. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video and you will not miss the next one. Make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. Let's go. This is one of our Warrior Plus accounts where we paid over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates. These are the affiliates, and one specific affiliate made over $97,000 promoting our product. That's his passive affiliate commission. And he did exactly what I'm about to share with you many times. In fact, all the money he made from promoting our products were done almost in the same way I'm about to share with you. But during his time, there were no AI. So he used to do it manually. All I did yesterday was using AI, and I'm going to show you how I did it and how you can do it too. Now, at any point of this video, if you feel it's too complicated or you don't have time or technical skills or experience or even courage or mindset to do it all by your own, then I want to invite you to our 99% done for you program, where members like these guys, for example, Osman, made $500 commission. It is one of the many $500, $1,000 and $450 commission that he made. Christine lives in Vietnam. She has a 9 to 5 day job and she earned multiple $450, $500, $300 commissions. Same goes to Danielle. He is a medical student and he lives in Pakistan. Rachel lives in Australia. She has her own business. She earned multiple $500 commissions. Now I can go on and on, show you hundreds of results of our Done For You program members, but their results are not your result. You can only get results when you watch this free training. Yeah, this training is completely free to watch. It will show you exactly what we do for our beginner members in our 99% Done For You program. But make sure you watch the full training video to understand everything. And after watching this video, if you have any question, feel free to ask this AI chat agent. It will answer all the questions just like I do. But if you want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Sounds good? The link to this training is in the description below. Go watch this training and take a wise decision. This whole thing started from this one offer. This offer is from one of my closest friends. He is offering white label rights to his AI video creation software. Now, because I'm in the software business and all these affiliates made money promoting my softwares, and I know that AI video creation softwares are hot right now, so I went ahead and purchased this white label offer. Then I thought, why not I make an offer to my audience, to my customers, but I will make an irresistible offer that people can't say no to. So I made a video about it and I uploaded the video in my YouTube channel. My point was, I'm going to make a video either way. Why not I make the video so it can literally change lives? Now, I'll put a link to this video and the other website that I'm about to show you in a moment in the link in the description. This video basically describes what we do, how we run software business, and how regular 9 to 5 employees, busy businessmen, busy parents can run the same software business while all the hard work and technical work is completely done for you. So once the video is recorded, I uploaded the video to my most favorite transcription software and got the transcript of the video. That being said, you understand I don't write scripts before shooting videos. I have been making videos for so long that I can just have an idea and start shooting videos and actually make money from those videos. Anyways, you don't have to do that because I know you don't want to show your face on the camera. In fact, you don't want to make videos at all. And some of my audience don't even want to deal with social media. That's weird because you have to. If you don't, it's almost impossible to make money these days. However, let's move on to the training. So once I got this transcript, I went to Claude AI. I copied and pasted the whole video transcript and then typed this prompt. I'm going to read it to you loud, or you can just take screenshot and use it as your own. Here is a video transcript for a product review and bonus offer. Product name Vidco White Label. Write a complete blog post with proper text formatting, 6th graders reading level, and using short hooks. So readers keep reading and make it persuasive so they take action at the end. Go. Now, as the video already contains every information, call to action, all I needed to do was to turn it into a blog post. And here we go, a persuasive, informative blog post that people would love to read. It's easy to understand, and there is a call to action, so they will take action. Mosh, I didn't understand half of what you said. What bonus are you talking about? Bonus is a special gift that we offer to our audience and potential customers that if they buy from our affiliate link, then they will get that special bonus. And usually the bonus is made in a way that is more valuable from the product itself. The post was not 100% what I was looking for. So I asked for a couple of changes, and there were a couple of mistakes as well. Because as you know, the transcript was not perfect. But it's not the software's fault. It was my fault. My weird, thick accent. Almost no transcription software can transcribe my tone, my language, my accent 100% correctly because I'm incorrect. So my friend, if I can do it, you can do it too. In fact, you have AI to help you in every step. So when I saw those mistakes due to my thick accent and error in transcript, I just asked AI to correct it. And it was corrected in a matter of seconds. After a couple of back and forth, chat, edit, and corrections, I asked AI to turn this into an HTML website. So I can copy the code and put it into my website, and it will work like a charm. Because here is the problem. When you copy this formatting or text formatting into any website builder, it will not look like this, and it will be even harder to edit from there. So I asked AI that turn it into an HTML page, add my affiliate link wherever applicable. And this was the first version of the HTML website. So it was good. The first draft looked awesome. I loved it. But I needed a couple of more changes here and there. All I needed to do is ask AI to change. And the changes were made in a matter of seconds. With a little back and forth, chat, adding, deducting. This is the final version of the website that was created by AI. There is a headline, there is a video, which I recorded and put it on YouTube. There is a scarcity. All these buttons contain my affiliate link. There are tables, explanation why this is awesome, how it works. Not only that, I also covered what are the bad things in the business model. I shared a photo that shows my connection with the product creator. And finally, I offered my bonus package. Now look at these bonuses, their values. You know what? I did not add these values. I asked AI that we need some realistic prices for these elements. And AI put these prices, keeping it aligned with the current market rates for professional services. Isn't this amazing? You do not have to burn your brain fuel to find this stuff. But Mosh, I am not technical and I have zero idea how to build websites. You made it look like easy, but I have zero technical skill. If that's what you're saying, then let me show you how to build this kind of website. I use Go High Level. So if you are on Go High Level or WordPress or any other website builder, all you have to do is to create a new page. Let me build one. Name it dummy, create the page. Now you want to create from blank. Now you can decide the width of a section. I will choose a medium and then I will add a row. It will be one full column. Then I will click here to add an element and add code. Then I will click here Open Code Editor, go to Claude AI, find the code, copy the full code, come back here and paste it. Click Save, then publish the page. Guess what happens now? Look at this 1, 2, and 3. Ta-da! Your website is ready. These buttons contain your affiliate link. There is a scarcity built in. All the details that I asked for. Look how beautiful it is. I didn't type a single word. All done by AI. There is an image at the top that I wanted, image here where I wanted, the bonus package with name, details, and value, and how to ensure that you get the bonuses instruction with an image. Okay, Mosh, it looks easy and I can do it too, but who's gonna buy it from me? You have a big following, right? And you have a big customers base. Yeah, I have over 100,000 customers online, but that's not the point I'm trying to make here. All these steps took me under 1 hour, from making the video to making the website. Now here is what I'm excited about, this $184 tiny commission, because to make that money, I did not need a lot of followers. Literally anyone can do it. Did you notice that for this offer, I have only 19 visitors? Only 19 visitors. And after 19 visitors saw this offer and one of them purchased, I made $184. Now here is something more important, which is called per visitor value. It's an average number. So it means if 19 visitors visit our page and only 1, 2, or whatever number purchases, every visitor equals $9.71. Whether you buy or you don't buy, because everybody does not need everything. Everybody can't afford everything. Everybody is not excited about everything. But every time someone watch my videos and engage with my videos, I get more and more viewers. Here's the quick example. And this also answers that question of whether you need a big following or not. This is my YouTube channel and I do not have a big following on my YouTube channel. I recently got 5,000 subscribers on this channel. And the video that made me $184 got only 308 views. None of these are important to me. What's more important for me is this, because this ensures and this guarantees that my system is working and will keep working and will generate money for me. 42% of the viewers are external viewers. These are the viewers generated by me, sent by me. But the remaining viewers came from YouTube. YouTube sent me tons of visitors from all different sources, like browse features, channel pages, suggested videos, other YouTube features, I don't know what they are, notification, YouTube search, playlist. So from this, I learned that if I put a little effort to get a few views, to push my video to some viewers, YouTube will send me more and more viewers. Sounds like a little work, right? Absolutely not. It was 100% passive. And this is what I have done. I have put this story up on my Instagram and Facebook. I said only 9 spots left. Interested in completely done for you profitable AI app business? DM me AI app for details. I got a couple of people reached out to me and DM'd me AI app, the code that I asked them to DM with. And here is one of those people. The only thing I did was that I shared this page with him. That's it. He purchased and he came back saying, done. I bought the package and I delivered him the bonus details. This is the exact process that many of our affiliates do, and you can see the amount of money they made. But if it looks like a lot of work, then you can consider our 99% done for you program, because all these people who made $300, $500, $1,000 commissions did not do this long product review, bonus, making website, HTML, hosting on Go High Level, nothing. They did not do any of those. We have made it extremely simple for them. We do 99% of the technical work for them. All they do is spend 45 minutes to 90 minutes per day to make this kind of money. And you can see my commission of the 2 hours of work was $184. But our students are earning around 3 times of what I made from taking all those steps. That being said, here is an important point. These results are not typical. I'm showing my students and members results over and over. It doesn't mean that you will also make money like them. You can make faster than them. You can also make a little slower. It all depends on your consistency and your commitment. They were consistent, and as long as they were consistent, they kept making money. Long story short, the system works. You just have to make an irresistible offer with the help of AI, then ask AI to help you plan and shoot a video. Take that video, put it into AI, and ask AI to turn it into a blog post or website with the required details. Go back and forth until you're completely happy with the design and the text and the message. Once you are done, you just go ahead, put up this kind of story, make YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram. From this example, you need only 19 people to show interest in what you are doing, and you could potentially make $184. That's just an example, by the way. Was this video helpful? If yes, hit the like button. Share with your friends and family because they deserve good information as well. Just like you, they want to make money too. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and make sure to switch on the notification bell button because that's the only way YouTube can notify you when we will upload our next video. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.